Hello everyone, my name's Lee and you're watching my new YouTube channel, Down at the Unit. Welcome to my first vlogging, well, proper vlogging video I've probably ever done. I've never been one for vlogging anything that I do, which is probably stupid of me. But today's episode, basically going to be a bit bored. Listen to me drone on probably about the Starlet, what we do in the unit, what we mess about with, a bit of everything really. There's a bit of history in the unit that I'm in. Quite a lot of people have started here. I'm not going to disclose the location because I'm a bit of a private person. Those of you who know me know where it is, so if you know where we are, obviously pop down at some point. What I'm looking to do over time is to make more videos, make some content of what we do down here, because we do quite a bit, to be fair. Recently I've just changed the engine in my other half Emily's Honda Civic, so it's a Type R. I say that with a wink to everyone who knows. But yeah, that was a bit of a challenge, my first solo engine swap. I'm a bit gutted I didn't actually vlog it because it's been an interesting process. I've been around Starlets over 10, 11 years now, and I've owned quite a few of them. At the moment I own two Starlet GT Turbos, a white one and a black one. Yeah, just a bit about Down at the Unit, what I want to achieve. I want to basically vlog everything that I do, because there's so many missed opportunities where I've been down here. We've been down here nights, sometimes days, messing around with cars, fixing them up, getting them ready for what we need to, and experimenting with things really. There's a few things I want to get done this year. The white GT behind me, my black GT, build the engine on that, which only needs an oil pump, and hopefully take you guys on my adventure, which will be pretty much either me googling something or getting advice. The usual stages of grief with cars: Google, advice, break it, fix it, break it again, and just repeat the cycle basically, and try and get in as much track time as I can. I think I'm at a point in my life where I've learned enough to go where I need to, and hopefully you guys will be able to share that journey with me and we can grow together. Sounds a bit gay, but we'll be on the journey together. We'll be sound. But yeah, I'd like to say thanks for watching this first episode, and hopefully you'll be with us for the next one, and on the random journeys and random things that we'll make, and hopefully new skills we'll learn, people we meet, and just move forward on that really. Take it easy guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.